As the candidates prepare to hit the campaign trail, we wish to urge them, together with their supporters, to observe the law, be respectful of one another, be tolerant to other people's different views, and also those whom they support. Let each one of us be at liberty to choose the candidate we support and render our support in that regard. No one should be victimized or ostracized for the choice he or she makes in that context. The candidates, please observe the law. Appeal to your supporters to respect the law and also ensure that we maintain an atmosphere or environment of peace and stability for the good of all of us. And be mindful of those people who are not part of the programs, your campaign programs, and so on and so forth. And therefore, let us not carry out any campaign activities along public roads, in the markets, near health centers, or near schools, any public place where other citizens of this land have a right to do whatever they are required to do in those places. In that regard, we shall have a very peaceful, tranquil process of campaign.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.